Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1972 Mercury Cougar with a Cobra jet package. You never guess it, but this car rips. I got Billy here, the owner, is going to tell us a little bit about it. Kind of a cool story with this one, right, Billy?
Yeah, Colorado car.
Yeah.
It's a estate sale of some sort.
Yeah.
It's in a big giant barn, and they decided they're going to sell it.
Huh.
So they put a lot of money into it, with new brake lines and all the necessary stuff to get it back on the road.
Cool.
And then they decided to sell it.
Awesome.
But whoever ordered stock from the factory ordered the Cobra jet package, so
Yeah.
it's 351 Cleveland
Yeah.
with the stock 4-speed
Yeah.
and a 9-inch rear end.
Top loader,
Top
4-speed.
loader, Hurst shifter.
Very cool. And this thing sounds so nice. You'd never believe how nice it drives. It's got a Hurst shifter from the factory. You gotta put it in reverse to get the key out, which is really cool. It's got the sequential taillights. Such a sleeper, right?
Yeah. Correct rims and tires.
I like it. I gotta tell you, I like it with those. I know you say you're gonna put wheels on it, but geez, that looks great.
Yeah.
It would look cool with Magnum 500s though.
Oh yeah, definitely changed the whole look of the car.
It would. Man, such a cool car, man.
And it's an AC car.
We're there. All right, let's check out the hood. Pop the hood, Brian. Billy.
Untouched.
Wow. 351 Cleveland, Cobra jet.
CJ right there.
Yep. Power brakes, power steering, and frickin' air conditioning. Flamethrower coil. It's like new shocks, new battery. I'd say it's a Survivor. Right?
Yeah.
Can you fire it up? This car drives so nice, you wouldn't even believe it. Can you put the turn signal on, Billy? Look at that sequential turn signal. That is so cool. Man, that's so cool. Love that. Man, what a unique car.
Yeah, all stock.
Moves too. I had a 351 Cleveland in my 68 Galaxy in high school.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Automatic.
yeah. You know, you just need seat covers, a little bit of cleaning up, completely transform this interior.
Sure, people who look at the window probably get shocked when they see the 4-speed.
Right? Such a cool combo too. It's light tan with the white. And looks like 81,758 miles.
Doesn't help.
Well, man, look at this shifter. That is cool. The Hurst. Original AC car too. Dash is actually in really, really nice shape. There's one little spot over there. Not too bad. But what a car, man. Little center console, little Billy popped in there. Original headliner. Oh, you did the roof, right?
Yep.
So you took that off. There was no rust.
Nope.
It's from Colorado. Looks nice with the new roof on it.
I think it came stock with the white one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but I put the black.
It looks great with the black.
Either way, one.
Yeah. I just love white interiors. I have something for the white interior. Can we go for a quick ride?
Yeah.
And love these little 14-inch wheels. So cool. Freaking awesome. 351 Cleveland and a 4-speed. It's got a nice short throw too, doesn't it?
Yeah. Sometimes you think you're in first, but you're really in third. So it's so close ratio.
And the 9-inch rear? Jeez, how do you beat that? Man, this thing sounds great. I can't beat this car for the money. Right?
No.
Nice, reliable. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. I'll talk to you in a few.